Top fashion designer of Greece, Celia Kritharioti, favorite of Hollywood and Bollywood actors, showcased unique color combinations at Paris Fashion Week. While talking to News Pakistan TV, designer Celia Kritharioti said that she had designed these dresses keeping in mind the things that touched the heart during her visits to Africa and many other parts of the world.
I'm very happy to be back in Paris. This year I did a collection from my memories of my trips to Africa and around the world, and I'm happy that this is all.
Top fashion designers from all over the world love to introduce their beautiful, expensive and unique designs in Paris.
Gorgeous, and really brought this energy of positivity and this uplifting, fresh energy that I so enjoyed.
The show was super amazing. I was super excited to come here. So every dress was super beautiful. So I was very happy to be here tonight. Thank you.
Celia Kritharioti, who owns the oldest fashion house in Greece, founded in 1906, introduced unique designs manifesting her creativity. Celia's beautiful dresses are like opening a magic box and beautiful gifts coming out. During the fashion week, Celia's unique and modern designs stunned the audience. Beautiful embroideries on precious silk and velvet, handmade dresses decorated with diverse shades and colorful feathers of birds caught the attention of the onlookers. The audience forgot to blink as delicate models walked the ramp wearing the elegant styles created by Celia. Mesmerized audience enthusiastically applauded when a model walked on the ramp attired in a white wedding dress. Celebrities like Jennifer Lopez and Sonam Kapoor opt for Celia's stunning dresses.